So today we are making a acrylic card and gift sign for my stepdaughter's wedding. I have the purple here that's set to engrave, and the orange is going to cut, or I'm sorry, the purple is going to score, the orange is going to cut, and the blue is going to engrave. So we want to make sure that is on our blue acrylic, and I always set the acrylic when we engrave to drafts. And make sure this is on 142 with full power, good to go. Make sure it's lined up and everything is a-okay, and go ahead and click ready and print. Now we are going to be engraving, and I'm using the black paint, and for this we want to be very, very careful because we don't want it getting into this, and this is scored, so it's very possible that it could seep into it, so we just want to be careful with that. So for this I just use regular acrylic paint, and we want to take like a foam brush and just dab and make sure it gets into all the areas in the area that we want it to. And after we get all this done, we want to let it dry and do 2 coats. So after you have your second coat on here, you can go ahead and just peel away the masking on your acrylic. I'm using clear acrylic. So peel off the front and the back. So it just got done cutting my letters that I'm going to be adding on top, as well as my base for my stand. And if you were interested in the file, please let me know and I can definitely share that with you. So these letters are going to be gold. Super excited about that. This is going to be super cute. I've been meaning to try some 3M tape, but for now I'm just using glue, which works just fine. Okay, so got all those out, and I'm going to peel off the masking and get them lined up on my board. All right, now it's time to glue on our letters. I use a stick and seal, and I can show you in the comments the link to where I get that. I buy them in packs of, can't remember if it's 6 or 12, but it's a pretty good deal. So we already have this scored, so we're just going to put a little bit of the stick and seal glue on it, and just glue our letters right on to our scored area. So now that this is all glued on, we can put it on our stand. And after that, it is all set, and it's ready to be put next to the card container at a wedding.